Anything hurt?
No.
No. Okay. Has your nose been a little stuffy at all? Let me see. Yeah, looks like that right one's a little bit stuffy. Does that hurt? Yeah?
No.
Have you had a cold lately? You got an M&M golf ball? And you do like M&Ms, right?
And it's rainbow.
Rainbow. Yeah, you're right. Rainbow. All right. Lay down. Oh, scoot down this way. Okay.
Oh no, this is gonna be hard.
Yep. Are you ready? Is it ticklish?
Yeah.
You're funny. I haven't even touched you yet and you're laughing. Okay, are you ready? Okay, breathe. Okay, look to the left. There you go. Now bring it over here.